Hello, I'm Tabitha Sawyer, head teacher at Ysgol Meithrin. Welcome to Ysgol Meithrin and to our virtual tour of the nursery. Here at Ysgol Meithrin, we are passionate about nurturing healthy, ethical, creative and ambitious learners. With nursery children and throughout the school, we do this by allowing exploration and learning through play. This can then help with their independence and confidence for their future learning. Also, with Ysgol Meithrin, the well-being of our learners is of paramount importance and is integral to the ethos of our school. We have an excellent team, an experienced team in nursery who you will be introduced to in the video now. I hope you enjoy the video. And I will now pass you over to Elizabeth Roberts, who is our Deputy Head and Head of Foundation. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Roberts and I'm Deputy Head Teacher here at Ysgol Meithrin. I'm also responsible for the day-to-day running of the Foundation Phase department, so when your child joins school I will get to see them on a regular basis. You'll also be receiving in the post an information booklet all about nursery, which tells you all the things that you'll need about your child starting school with us, including information about staggered start dates in September and whether your child is in the AM or the PM group. If you don't get this information, can you please inform the school office as soon as possible so we can get it out to you. So really hope now that you enjoy watching the video all about nursery, you enjoy seeing the teachers that are going to become your nursery teachers, and just a general tour of the nursery class. So on arrival to school in September, you will walk up the pathway to the nursery class. At the moment, there are markings there to make sure that parents stay 2 metres apart. This is the nursery classroom, and this is where you will wait to be let into the nursery by your class teacher. This is the entrance to the nursery outdoor area. And this is the door that your child will go through on their first day. This is the cloakroom. Your child will have their own peg.
Croeso I dosbarth Meithrin. Welcome to nursery.
This is the nursery classroom where the children will come to work and play each day. As you can see, there are a variety of different activity stations for the children to work at. Here the children are playing in the construction area. Here the children are playing in the explore area, where they are allowed to explore independently. There are also plenty of opportunities throughout the week to work with the teaching staff. Here you can see a group of children working on a numeracy task, and here they are working on learning their letter sounds. With younger children, we feel that practical activities are the best type of activities to help the children learn. To explore things for themselves and to figure out how things work is a great way for them to learn. Another directed activity with the class teacher based on science and technology. Opportunities to independently explore books in the reading area. Whole class carpet time. This is when the children sit on the carpet all together. It may be that they have a story with the teacher or that they learn some new skills. This is their opportunity to contribute to whole class discussion about a given topic. This is the toilet area, where the children go to the toilet and wash their hands. This is a separate area of the classroom. The children are encouraged to learn how to go to the toilet by themselves, and we encourage you to make sure over the summer holidays that your child is potty trained. Here the children are going outside to the outdoor area. The children use the outdoor space a lot of the time, and as you can see, there are a variety of different activities for the children to do outside. We encourage your children to be outside as much as possible, as this helps to contribute towards positive well-being. Outdoors, there are the opportunities to learn sounds, do gardening, play music, and be creative. The Nursery Plus provision is set up in a very similar way to the nursery, and the Nursery Plus staff work closely with the nursery staff to ensure that planning is consistent. In the foundation phase department, we believe that children should move on to their next stage of learning when they are developmentally ready and at their own pace. We provide lots of indoor and outdoor learning opportunities so that they can really develop and foster their own curiosity. The following slide shows some ways that you could prepare your child to start nursery in September. Getting prepared for starting nursery is important, and there are some simple things you can do for the transition to be a smooth one. Some ideas could be: talk to your child about school. What are they excited about? What are they concerned about? Make sure your child is able to go to the toilet independently. Help them learn to fasten zips and put on shoes. Talk about listening, sharing, and taking turns. Share books together. Practice shapes and colours and numbers. Share nursery rhymes and songs together.
I hope you enjoyed the video and have got a flavour of what your child can expect in September. We're so sorry that we can't have everybody in as an open day or open evening, but obviously with the COVID restrictions, we've had to do it in this virtual way. However, if there is anything at all, please do get in touch with us by email or by phoning, and we will be very happy to discuss things through with you further if you require that. So until then, I hope you have a lovely summer, and we look forward to seeing your child in September. Thank you.